Okay, good morning, everyone. So, I am Teacher Carlo, and I will be your teacher for today. And now, our lesson is all about the addition of similar fraction. But before that, let's talk about what is a similar fraction. So, remember that similar fraction are fractions with the same denominators. So let's take an example of a set of a similar fractions. We have 4/8, 5/8, and 7/8. That are the examples of similar fractions. Another one, we have 3/10, 4/10, and 5/10. So these also examples are similar fractions because the denominators are the same. We have 8 in the first example and 10 on the second example. And now, let's move on. What are the steps in adding similar fraction? So we have 3 steps we need to follow. First, we need to add the numerator, meaning you need to add the upper part of the fraction. Second, copy the denominator. So you just copy the lower part of the fraction. And final, once you've got the answer, you need to reduce it into lowest term. Remember, in reducing a number, make sure that the fractions are divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Now, are you ready for the example? Let's take a bit. Number 1, we have 3/8 plus 2/8. So these are the examples of similar fraction. So you need to add the numerator. So what is 3 plus 2? 5. Very good. How about 8? Yes, we need to copy the denominator since that is our step. So our final answer is 5/8. Next one, 3/10 plus 5/10. So these are the examples of similar fractions. Now, first step, add the numerator. So we need to add 3 and 5. So what is 3 plus 5? 8. Very good. While we need to copy the denominator. Exactly. Now, is it our final answer? No. So we need to divide it by 2 since that is a divisible. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. While what is 10 divided by 2? 5. Correct. So therefore, our final answer is 4/5. So do you have any questions? Thumbs up if you understand my lesson. So if you have no questions, thank you for listening and have a nice day. Goodbye.